Mastering adverbs of focus, making your English more precise. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an important part of English grammar that can really make your language more precise and expressive: adverbs of focus. Understanding these special adverbs and their placement will help you clearly emphasize specific parts of your sentences. Adverbs of focus, also known as focusing adverbs, are words that we use to give emphasis to a part of the sentence. They highlight what is particularly relevant or important. Common adverbs of focus include only, even, just, also, mainly, particularly, and especially. For example, she only eats vegetables. She doesn't eat anything else, just vegetables. I even tried the spicy sauce. Trying the spicy sauce was something unexpected or exceptional. Placement of these adverbs is crucial as it determines what part of the sentence we are emphasizing. The general rule is that the adverb of focus should come directly before the word or phrase it is emphasizing. For example, I only have 3 apples. The number of apples I have is limited to 3. She is just a child. She is nothing more than a child. Remember, placing the adverb at a different position can change the meaning of the sentence. While the general rule is straightforward, English wouldn't be English without exceptions. With verbs that have 2 parts, phrasal verbs, the adverb of focus can come after the first part or the second part of the verb. For example, you need to just give in. You need to do nothing more than give in. You need to give just in. You need to surrender, and do so precisely or exactly. And remember, with negative verbs, the adverb of focus comes before the negative part. For example, I never just walk away. I always do something more than just walking away. And that wraps up our lesson on adverbs of focus. Remember, these little words can have a big impact on the meaning of your sentences, so pay attention to where you place them. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using adverbs of focus like a pro. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your English skills. We hope this video has been helpful.